Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove an Interac e-transfer contact from CIBC. If you don't have a CIBC account, we will put referral link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50. To start, open the website, then sign in with your card number and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Interac e-transfer. On the sub-menu, you will see an option for Contact List. Click on Contact List. Here you will see a list of your contacts. Then you will see a delete icon. Click on the delete icon beside the contact you wish to remove. Then a pop-up message will appear stating what will happen if you delete this contact. To proceed, click on Yes. That's how you remove an Interac e-transfer contact from CIBC. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.